Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mo Dodge, Mo Mod. So today's mod is going to consist of me putting this nice interior wiring in, which is supposed to light up at night. Already pre-started. As you can see, it's just pushing it all the way in. And now I'm going to just finish it up. I got enough. And I'll let you guys know the results once I'm done tightening it up. Stay tuned.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face.
Welcome to Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. So in my 2018 Dodge Charger, I decided to install the red interior lights to kind of accent and highlight the interior, which for Dodge Chargers are pretty dull, as you may or may not be aware of. But here's the finished results. It took me less than 15 minutes to do the initial install. And right now I have it plugged into the cigarette lighter, which I do plan to change and actually connect it to the lower interior light that's underneath the dash. Very simple install. It's just splicing into the black negative wire on the far out and the positive wire on the far outer side of that light that's underneath the dash, and I can give you an idea of where it's located. But for the most part, here is the finished results. As you can see, it looks kind of orange going all the way around and tucked all the way down. And what I did was, if you can see it here, it kind of goes in and underneath the dash. So I started on this side, which is the left side of the steering column. That's where the power is going to be, underneath here. And it's going to be going to the light, which is roughly down here somewhere. And what I did was I just tuck all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. I'm showing you the direction in case you get an idea. Tuck. And then it goes here. And then after that, pull the panel out. Very easy to pull the panel out. Just a quick snug pull, and it'll go under here. And then you snug to here. Now the cable keeps going all the way around here. Up. I'm showing you the direction I went. You could do it differently. Up and around and around and around. Just snug fit. For the most part, you will have some incidences where it doesn't actually go all the way in, but that's okay. At night, it really makes a difference. Here, and then I went underneath. Actually, I went back over, under, here. I tucked it all the way underneath here, and it went all the way to the back. I'll show you real quick. And now I have them on the side, so it lights up the side here. And I tucked it underneath the panel, and then I cut it off. That's the finished product. It came out all right for the most part, as you can see in the video, and this is what I have left over. All this. Now this is 3 meters. The whole spool is 3 meters, and this is what I have left over. So if you're deciding to do the doors, I would advise getting 3 meters for the back doors and 2 meters for the front doors. And you'll run roughly probably about $25-30 to have the whole interior lights done. Of course, that's another project. That's what I plan on doing. Maybe even getting some of this up here. I don't know how I'll do it, but yeah, definitely going to get the doors where it's going to come in. I'm going to get this around here. And then I'll get that up there, coming on down here, and I'll tuck. What I'll do is I'll have it run inside the panel. That's plastic. You can pull that off and have it going through the door. The same is going to apply for the rear doors as well. So that's my finished product. Thank you guys for tuning in, and for those Dodge enthusiasts, hey. Mo Mods, Mo Dodge. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot of more material coming up. It's not just about Dodges. It's about making you smile and making you interested in the content that I'm providing. So please comment, like, subscribe, and let's keep this thing rolling. As you can see, it took me 10 minutes to finalize and actually install the wiring. Doesn't look too bad for the most part. We got some tweaking to do around this base right here, but for the most part I like it pretty much. The next step is going to be on the doors. I'm gonna put on the doors, front and rear. So I'm probably going to need 10 meters or 10 centimeters, or I believe that's the length of it, 12 feet for each side. Probably 6 in the front and then 12 in the back just to reach. And what I'll do is I'll probably have to posi tap it into the light source at the bottom. Right now I got it on the charger, cigarette lighter. And what I'll do is I'll just clip this and wire it to the light that's underneath the dash for the negative and positive, so that I don't have to, because that looks kind of tacky just sitting out for the most part. But I like it. It's pretty neat the way it lights up at night. Jeez, I couldn't tell in the daytime when I finished it, but I even got it going all the way back here on the side. I don't know if you can see that, and I think that's pretty neat. So like I said, I'm gonna do the door next, and we'll go from there. I'll probably put it around the cup holder too, just to bring it out a little bit more. But other than that, there it is, finished product. Interior lights for the Dodge Charger. Cheap mod, and it's nice. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, more mods, more Dodge.